Hello and welcome to Waltz hobby lesson. Here we will explore basic figures and interesting developments. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So first figure we will dance is basic whisk, and then we will develop this figure to interesting ending. So man starts with left foot and dances basic whisk, finishing in whisk position. Now we will dance same figure 1, 2, 3, but on 3 we stay up, on 1 we lower, and then we dance 2 steps in promenade position. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show first of all whisk and chasse from promenade position. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Let's do it from opposite angle. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's look at development of whisk. So dancers will do it separately. So we dance whisk, stay up, on 1 we lower, and continue with 2 steps in promenade position. Now together we dance our development of whisk 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and continue with chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look at another angle. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's look at basic figures we can dance before whisk. So we will dance preparation and then natural spin turn, continued by steps 4 to 6 of reverse turn. Let's look from opposite angle. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's put together our today's choreography. So we start with preparation, then we dance natural spin turn, continued by reverse turn ending, then whisk with 2 steps in promenade position, followed by chasse from promenade position. Very good. And now from opposite angle with a teaching count. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.